Hi everybody, Mark German Woodturner here. Welcome to the workshop. Right, this week what I'm going to be doing is moving everything around. So the lathe over here, that's going to be moved. It's going to be rotated so it's facing against the wall. The reason for that is the way I've got it set up now is for doing lives and for filming for videos. Because I'm doing more production work now, I need to be able to set up a couple of steadies for when I'm doing longer spindles, and they need to be mounted against the wall. So I'm going to rotate the lathe. I've got to move all the flooring, move all the dust extraction over there, and the compressor down there. That's all going to be moved. So what I'm going to do is set the camera up, and I'm going to put it on time-lapse, because this is going to take me a few hours to do. Hopefully it'll be condensed down to just a few minutes for you guys to watch me slaving away moving stuff. Alright, so I'll see you at the end of the video and we'll have a chat and a look and see what I've done. Cheers! Right, so I've got the lathe moved. I'd like the compressor to stay where it is, but I'm not happy with that extraction system. The way it's set up, it's going to be in the way of any steady rest that I want to put on the wall there, because where that cyclone is right about where I need to put the steady rest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a little think, and I might plumb that in permanently with 4-inch solid pipe instead of the flexi hose. But what I'll carry on doing now is put the flooring back in and then start to reposition the tripods for my cameras and possibly reposition the computer that can't move very far because it has to be connected to the monitor. The tool board is going to stay where it is. I don't want it straight behind the lathe because I don't like reaching over the headstock for tools. I always think they should be set to the side, either to the side and front or to the side to the left or to the right. But I'm happy with where the lathe is itself, and it's close by my sharpening system and all my other bits and pieces over here. There is going to be an addition of another metal cabinet like this but with doors. Bit of a requisition that for all the flammable materials and finishes that I use. So they're all going to be coming down off that shelf and going into a fireproof metal cabinet. So let's get on with doing the floor. So I have to move the extraction, put the matting back underneath and fit the other ones. Right, so it's done. Everything's moved. Flooring's back underneath the lathe. The lathe's been moved closer to the wall. I've set the cameras up, fixed position, so we've got the overhead camera there, tailstock camera there, headstock camera on a tripod there. The dust extraction is as it is at the moment, but I think I am going to plumb that in with drainage tubes or hard tubing. I do have my sharpening base and my tools off to the side. The broadcast area over there, bandsaw and my wood pile. And just for Brian Ousby, shavings on the floor because I've done a bit of turning. It was going to be a really lovely bowl, but unfortunately I funneled it. So, better luck next time, I think. But anyway, I'm happy with where the lathe is. So I'll be able to fit some steady rests against the wall for when I'm doing longer spindles and newel posts, just to give me a centre steady or prop steady. I've had the lathe like this before, but it does work quite well. Cameras are fixed to the ceiling, all the wiring's up out of the way. Right, that's it from me. Take care everybody. See you all again soon. Bye bye.